Another day, another dollar. ClickFunnels. Start your free 14-day trial now. Whether you sell online, on social media, in a store, or out of the trunk of your car, you need a funnel to get customers to find you. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. So, you're a creator. Can I make any money doing this? But where do you start? Well, I think I need a website. But then the worst thing happens. Nothing. How do I get customers to actually find my website? The missing ingredient to your success is what we call a funnel. The funnel is the secret to success. It's the bridge that brings your dream customers to your website and into your online store with their credit cards in hand. You do need a website. And you do need a store. But without a funnel, both of these things are pretty much pointless. We want to literally give you what our competitors charge you for: your website builder and your online store, for free, when you sign up for ClickFunnels today. Yes, that's right. Because I know you want an awesome website. And you want an online store. And does it work? But most importantly, ClickFunnels is the best platform on the planet at building sales funnels that will convert your online visitors into actual paying customers. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up for ClickFunnels. Start your free 14-day trial now. You can also set up a membership site. This allows you to store your content and organize your modules and lessons in one easy place for your members. Step 2. Set up your store or membership site. Step 3. Build a funnel. Step 4. Capture emails and follow up with them. This is the secret to getting customers. What type of funnel do you need? Well, that depends on your business and what you want to do. This is the secret. The fuel that makes your business real. Each funnel is a new road back to your website and your store. Your customers are waiting for you. Get your free ClickFunnels trial today. Why a funnel? Hint. It's the difference between the 1,929,999,999 websites that don't make money and the 0.000000022% that do. How do I get customers to actually find my website? That's where the funnel comes in. Here's the truth. For websites and a store, funnels are the key to your success. Marketing is the #1 problem that holds everyone back. Until now. ClickFunnels is the key to your online success. Okay, but what if I already use one of these other companies for my website or store? We'll give you our version of these tools, which I also think are way better and easier to use, for free. When you join ClickFunnels, see for yourself. Our websites are fast, customizable, and just more awesome. ClickFunnels replaces all your other platforms like Shopify, Kajabi, WordPress, and many more. All in one single platform. Listen, I can talk your ear off about ClickFunnels and how awesome it is for entrepreneurs to finally build the business they've always wanted. But the truth is, you'll never know until you try it out for yourself. Who is ClickFunnels for? ClickFunnels is for you. Could you be the next 2 Comma Club award winner? Will you be next? Get started with ClickFunnels today for free. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more money-making videos.